90 minutes of football can consume your entire heart. Every pass, every near miss, every goal. Then the whistle blows, and a strange emptiness creeps back in. We tell ourselves, it's harmless, just entertainment, just relaxation. But a heavier question sits underneath it, one most of us never ask out loud. Could something this harmless actually be pulling us toward Jahannam? By the end of this reminder, you'll know exactly where Islam draws the line between innocent fun and dangerous distraction, and one hidden trap most Muslims fall into without even realizing it. Let's be honest with ourselves first. Islam is not a religion of joyless isolation. It doesn't ban sport. It doesn't forbid a laugh. The Prophet, peace be upon him, didn't just teach us how to pray, he showed us how to live. He once raced his wife Aisha R.A. May Allah be pleased with her. She won. Years later, they raced again. This time he won, and he smiled and said, "This one is for that one." Sunan Abi Dawud, 2578. He even pushed his companions toward physical skill. "Shoot, O children of Ismail, for your father was an archer." Sahih al-Bukhari, 3507. So no movement, competition, watching human skill, none of that is the problem. The problem is what's been built around it. Because here's what actually happens. You sit down after a long day, just wanting to unwind, and within minutes you're bombarded. Rainbow armbands, pride symbols, LGBTQ, gambling logos plastered across the pitch, music blaring through every break. Scholars have been clear on this. Watching sport is only permissible when it's free of haram. No missed prayers, no exposed aura, no gambling, no indecency, no music, no foul language, no tribal hatred. When you press play anyway, you're not just watching a game. You're inviting all of that into your home and into your heart. But here's the trap almost no one talks about. It's not the symbols on the screen. It's what the screen quietly makes you sacrifice. How many times has a 90th minute goal or extra time made you delay your Salah? Just 5 more minutes, and those 5 minutes swallow the prayer whole. You trade a moment standing before the creator of the universe for a game played by men who don't even know you exist. If you can't walk away when the Adhan calls, that game is making you disobey Allah. Literally. And look at what it does to us emotionally. Brothers hating brothers over a jersey color. A referee's mistake turning into real venom. Blind loyalty to players whose entire lifestyle has nothing to do with the Sunnah. The issue was never football. The issue is control. Does the game serve you a light, occasional break? Or are you serving the game, missing prayers for it, absorbing its ideologies, letting it reshape your heart? Because at the final whistle, one question remains. What kind of heart are you building? One attached to 90 minutes of noise, or one anchored in the remembrance of Allah? If this reached you, pass it on. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said whoever guides someone to goodness gets a reward like the one who did it. Sahih Muslim 1893a. Turn Sunnah Mode on. Assalamu alaikum.